Alright guys, in this video we're going to change the air filter on a new Nissan Kicks. One thing I will caution you is just don't unplug this wire through the whole process, this sensor right here. If you do with the key on, it could kick your engine light and that'd be a mess for you to clear if you're doing it at your house. But really simple to replace it. 2 spring clips on this side, but if you pick it up, you see you can't pick it up very high. And I'm going to show you how to get around it. Now you probably could sneak the air filter out there, but it's better to do it this way. Take a screwdriver, pop this harness out here, that's the mass airflow sensor, what you don't want to unplug. And once all 3 of those are loose, then you can just pick this thing right on up. Air filter comes right out. Take the old one out, put the new one in. And when you're putting this thing back on the side here, there's 2 tabs that you want to make sure go into the slot. And they should go in nice and easy. You don't want to force it, but once they're in there, you know you got a nice tight seal and your air box isn't going to be leaking. And then you go around to the other side, those 2 spring clips, you just want to snap them together. And then on the back we have the harness we need to click back in for the mass airflow sensor, this guy right here. And once that's in, bam, you're good to go. Just remember, don't unplug that. Alright guys, have a good one. Peace.